Effortlessly make fresh, delicious crepes right in front of your guests with a Carnival King portable crepe maker. Featuring heat-resistant handles, these crepe makers are easy to move for your convenience. Each crepe maker includes a T-shaped crepe spreader and a spatula to get you started right away. This crepe maker features a cast iron cooktop with a 16-inch diameter, which is perfect for making crepes of all sizes. The cast iron also prevents sticking, so your crepes won't rip or tear. This unit features simple power and heating lights. The power light indicates that the crepe maker is on, and the heating light shows you that the unit is preheating. Once the heating light turns off, you are ready to start cooking. The temperature range on this crepe maker can be adjusted between 120 and 570 degrees Fahrenheit using a simple dial. For your safety, a 2.5-inch outer ring around the cooking plate prevents employees or your other supplies from getting too close to the hot surface. And with non-slip feet, you can be sure that this crepe maker won't move during use. Made out of stainless steel, you can count on the durability and the sleek look of a Carnival King portable crepe maker at your food service establishment.